Is your home ready to impress buyers, or is it hiding behind too much stuff? Then decluttering could be the key to a faster home sale. Hi, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Now, most homeowners overlook this simple step, but decluttering done right can completely transform your home's appeal and help it sell faster and for more money. Now, if you're thinking about selling soon or you just want space to feel more open and inviting, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and reach out to Domaille Real Estate to schedule your personalized home selling strategy call. You'll be surprised how powerful a good declutter can be, and we can show you exactly how to do it. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille. My husband and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota, and we've helped countless clients stage their home just by decluttering. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it without getting overwhelmed. Now, decluttering your home before listing it helps buyers focus on the space, not your stuff. It's an important part of the staging process. Now think about it. When a buyer walks into a cluttered home, they aren't visualizing how their furniture is going to fit. They're really actually distracted by yours. So the goal is to make every space feel open and usable, and start by removing anything you don't need for the next few months. Extra decor, stacks of paper, even that kitchen appliance you haven't used since last year. Use the 4-box method to keep your momentum and make decisions quickly. You grab 4 boxes and you label them: keep, donate, sell, and trash. And you go room by room and you assign every item to a box. Now, this method really helps reduce decision fatigue, and it gives you a clear path forward without feeling overwhelmed. Now, decluttering doesn't have to be emotional. It's about preparing your home to shine. So focus on key areas where clutter collects and impacts first impressions the most. These staging areas will definitely give your home a boost. So buyers notice kitchen counters, bathroom vanities, and storage spaces like closet, pantries, and garages. So clear off flat surfaces completely, leaving just 1 or 2 neutral pieces for staging. And for closets, aim for them to be no more than 70% full, because that will create an impression of ample storage space, and every buyer is looking for more storage. Okay? And don't forget about the garage. Sometimes we overlook the bikes, the shoes, the tools, and even the lawnmower, making that garage feel really a lot smaller than it is. So use that same 4-box method of decluttering and then organize what's left into one area of the garage. Again, helping to make this space to feel as big as possible. Now, storage bins, baskets, and underbed containers are going to be your secret weapons. If you're not quite ready to part with something, that's okay, but still it needs to be out of sight. So invest in some affordable storage bins and then label them by room, and then you can neatly tuck them in closets or under beds for the time being, okay? And the point isn't to hide mess, it's really to organize your belongings while giving your home a little bit of breathing room. A clutter-free home really feels bigger, cleaner, and move-in ready. And that's exactly the feeling that your buyers want to have the second that they walk through the front door. Because you're not just selling square footage here, you're selling potential, peace of mind, and a lifestyle. And the fewer distractions, the easier that is to convey. If you'd like to know more about unlocking the potential of your property through effective home staging and decluttering, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please follow us on all of our socials. And if you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button, give us the thumbs up, and share any of your tips on decluttering below. We'd love to hear them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.